Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the SECURAM EOS lock.
And SECURAM sent us this with a review.
All right, so this is a very nice looking lock with a keypad, but you know what it doesn't have?
An app?
It is not a smart lock. This is just a lock with a keypad.
So that's kind of cool. If you don't want to have something smart, this is a great looking lock.
So let's open it up.
How do we get it open? Let's see. I think it's this way here. There you go.
All right, there it is.
I'll tell you what, I'll take the parts out here.
All right, so this works with your fingerprints, and it also works with codes. And does it have a key too?
See, scan the QR code, but for installation. See?
It's got an installation video.
The plate. Some tape. And the tape is cool because this is what you use. They give you a bunch of tape. You take the tape and you have to install a piece on the outside that always falls off. Well, you can tape it on with this.
Oh, that's smart.
It's really smart. So we'll get to those in a second. Here is the
So there's the
back.
The back.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
It does take batteries. It's got spot for 4 AA batteries.
Okay. All right, and then you got this here.
Oh, I get to peel this off. Swipe with hand to wake. Interesting.
Well, it's not smart.
Yeah.
Wow.
It does have a key,
apart.
So you can.
Oh, that's cool.
Hide the key here.
Look at that. You know
it's
what?
a thing to
I'll
charge.
bet you it's a 9-volt battery thing. Oh, that's snapped in place.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
neat.
What do the buttons do? Are they pushing buttons or just a touch thing, right?
It's a touch
And then this button, this works. That does it too, and it takes a fingerprint.
Has a fingerprint. Yeah.
So what did it have? It had fingerprint, keypad, and key.
Right.
Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, so that's this. And it just wires through. Okay.
Keys.
The keys. So the regular looking keys, which is nice.
SECURAM.
Installation bolts. And there's the deadbolt. And there's the
strike plate.
It's kind of
that's a weird looking strike.
I think it has some tape over it, so it looks shiny.
Oh,
nice.
okay.
Yeah. And then some screws. Right, and there's more. Wait, there's more. Oh, the metal plate that you put in the inside is going to install.
Okay.
And it comes with
batteries.
The battery. So that's it.
4 AA batteries.
Now, the only thing we're not sure of is how do you program the keys? Oh, you see, you have to download the installation manuals. Because this is a manual process, you're going to have to press some key sequences on here in order to program it. So if you're wondering how to program it, they actually have an online guide. It tells you everything. So it shows you what the buttons are on the front plate. They talk about the battery cover in the back. And then they have all the things, how to lock and unlock, how to add new users. And as you see, you just basically press certain function keys. And then it does it. And you can add users to your lock.
That's cool. And it looks like you can also delete people.
You can get rid of people too. That's cool.
So this is a really great, nice looking lock. It unlocks with your fingerprint, unlocks with a keypad, has a key in there. You don't need to have an app. You just install it and there you go.
That's the SECURAM EOS door lock.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.